Sir, in the last videos we covered very clearly what is the control flow in nested try catch finally. 14 cases, almost all your doubts got clarified, right? Same way, what are various possible combinations for try catch finally? These things I have to discuss, right? Sir, sometimes in my offline online session the students are going to ask, sir, is it possible to take two finally blocks, or inside try, is it possible to take try catch, and so on, like almost around 20 plus combinations we are going to discuss, so that you will get much clarity with the try catch finally. Okay, possible syntaxes also. Okay, have a look once. So what is our topic name? Various possible combinations of try catch finally. Okay, now the first thing I'm taking here, just observe try I'm taking, followed by catch block. Can you please confirm, is it valid syntax or not? Yes, perfectly it is valid syntax. Only try catch we did several times this type of things, valid, right? Next try followed by, okay, catch block I'm taking. Next another catch block for different exception I'm taking, sir. Can you please confirm, is it valid or not? Yes, try with multiple catch blocks is possible and recommended to use. Somewhere we discussed already, right? Sir, now, sir, third option, try I'm taking, okay, just catch block I'm taking, catch block. Observe very carefully, sir. Sir, now another catch block I'm taking is, sir, can you please confirm, is it valid or not? Invalid. What the reason is? Sir, this catch block for X exception, this catch block is also for the same exception. For the same exception, two catch blocks are not allowed. Correct or not? Okay. So here compile time error, exception X has already been caught. This is the error by default we are going to get. So two catch blocks for the same exception you can't take. Okay, remember this one, sir. Okay, well, next I'm taking try catch finally. I'm taking, sir, try catch finally. Okay, like this. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? Yes, perfectly it is a valid syntax, no problem at all. Try catch finally itself is valid syntax only. Next one, now observe, I'm taking try sir, catch I'm taking. Next again try catch. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? Yes, man. So there is no rule like you should use a try catch only once. Yes, here first try catch, next try catch. Okay, sir, this is to hold risky code, the first part. This is to hold a risky code, another risky code. You can take try catch multiple times, acceptable, right? Next here I'm taking try finally. Observe very carefully, sir. Try finally, is it valid combination or not? Please confirm. Try finally, is it valid combination or not? Ayo, respond. Is it valid combination or not? Yes, 100% pakka it is. Are valid or invalid? 100% pakka. This is valid combination. What is the reason for that? Okay, in what situations we will use, right? Sir, usually I can take try and then catch block, try catch block, and then finally. This is our normal syntax. Are you getting? This is our normal syntax, right? So now here I am maintaining risky code. If any exception is coming, now the corresponding handling code. Next, inside finally I have to take a cleanup code. I require to take a cleanup code, right? Now the point is, take very carefully about this terminology, right? Try, catch, and then finally. Suppose here, if there is an exception, catch block will be there, and then finally we'll execute. Assume that catch block is not there. Assume catch block is not there, sir. Is it valid or not? Yes, most of the people are going to get the down without catch block. What is the need of trying? What is the need of taking try block and finally block? Like you may have the doubt. Yes, man. Some scenario, sir, there may be a chance of raising an exception. There may be a chance of raising an exception. Okay, but I don't know how to handle. So abnormal termination. No problem. Abnormal termination. But before that, can you please close my database connection? Can you please close my database connection? I want to ask. Then here close DB connection. Regarding close DB connection, like this we have to take. Regarding, so even risky code, even exception is coming, abnormal termination, but the biggest advantage of taking try finally is before abnormal termination, finally block will execute, which is going to close all opened resources. So try finally, valid syntax, sometimes it may be required. Okay, don't worry at all, sir. It is perfectly valid possible syntax only. Okay, well, sir, now what is the next thing? Here just observe. I'm taking only try block. I'm taking only try block. Only try. That's all. I'm not taking any catch block or finally block. Immediately compiler will get left and right. Hey, only try. Where is the catch block or finally block? Whenever we are writing try block, compulsory either catch block or finally block must be there. If you are not taking either catch or finally, then immediately compile time error we are going to get try without catch or finally. Try without catch or finally. This is the compile time error you are going to get, sir. Try without catch or finally. This is the compile time error you are going to get. Everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, that's all. Same way, sir, next catch I'm taking a bit worst syntax, right? Only catch block without try and finally, only catch block. What is the meaning? That's why compile time error. Here just observe that compile time error by default you are going to get saying, okay, catch without try. Catch without try. Whenever we are writing catch block, compulsory try block must be required. Catch without try itself is invalid. Compile time error we will get. Remember this one. Sir, similarly, now I am taking only finally block. Only finally block. Sir, again this one is invalid. Again itself is invalid, sir. So whenever we are writing finally block, compulsory try must be required. Remember that. Now what compile time error we will get? Finally without try. Finally without try. This is the compile time error we are going to get, sir. Are you getting right? So whenever we are writing try block, either catch or finally must be required. Whenever we are writing catch block, compulsory catch block, compulsory try must be required. Catch without try is invalid. Whenever we are writing finally block, compulsory try must be required. Okay, try with finally without try, again it is invalid. Clear up to this? Okay, well, sir, now the next scenario, have a look once, sir. Sir, I'm taking try, okay, finally catch, sir. Try finally catch I'm taking. Now if I can ask this one, immediately compile time error we are going to get. What the reason for that is, so in try catch finally order is very important. Remember this one, sir. First try block and then catch block and then finally block. But here you took a try finally and then catch. Sir, try finally up to that valid syntax, but this catch will become alone because try finally completed. Now this catch will become alone. What compile time error we will get? Sir, catch without try. Catch without try. This is the compile time error we are going to get, sir. After this is the clear? Getting right? So here compulsory order is important. Next one, sir. Here listen. I'm taking try block. Just I'm taking try block. Again try block, again try block, next followed by catch block, and then finally I'm taking sir. Do you know 2 try blocks, 1 catch block, 1 finally? Compiler will give left and right. What is the reason for that here? Array, how many try we can take? Only 1 try. Only 1 try. Try catch finally valid syntax, but this try will become alone. That's why what error we are going to get is try without catch or finally. Try without catch or finally. This is the error we are going to get, because this try will become alone, right? Similarly, if I can take try sir, if I can take try sir, now observe catch block, now catch block I'm taking, of course it is the catch y. Now finally, can you please guide, is it valid or not? Yes, 100% pakka this one is valid, because multiple catch blocks you can take for the same try, no problem at all. Okay sir, this one is valid. Now observe carefully next scenario sir. Sir, I'm taking try block, I'm taking try block, next catch, I'm taking try catch like this, next finally, and then again I'm taking finally. Please confirm, is it valid or not? How many finally blocks I'm taking? 2 finally blocks I'm taking. Immediately compiler will give left and right. For the same try you are allowed to take only 1 finally. 2 finally is not possible. Now do you know, try catch finally completed, this finally will become alone. Now compile time error we will get is finally without try. Are you getting? Finally without try. I hope terminology is very clear, right? Now have a look once sir. These are some cases, right? But still I want to add some more cases so that you people will get much clarity, right? Observe that here I'm taking try block, and then system.out.println hello, I'm taking hello, and then catch block I'm taking sir. So in between try block and catch block, some SOP statement, independent statement I'm taking. Because of this independent statement, try block and catch block will become alone, separated, right? Now 2 compile time errors we are going to get sir. Compile time error 1, try without catch or finally, try without catch or finally, try without catch or finally. Okay, like. But second one sir, do you know, compile time error 2, catch without try. Are you getting? Catch without try, it is invalid, because try will become alone, catch will become alone because of this SOP statement. That's why the problem is coming. Take very special care. Similarly, here I'm taking try, next catch block, I'm taking catch block. Next after catch block, SOP statement I'm taking SOP of hello, next after that sir, now again second catch block I'm taking sir. Yes, if I can ask this one, compiler will give left and right. What is the reason? For that is, array in between 2 catch blocks, in the middle 1 independent statement you are taking. Are you getting? So up to try catch completed, independent statement. Now this catch block will become alone. That's why what errors are? Catch without try, catch without try, like this I'm getting sir. Now what is the next cinema we have to take? Try, just observe catch, and then SOP statement I'm taking, and here finally SOP statement I'm taking finally. Do you know, this SOP statement will become alone, so I mean this, because of this SOP finally block will become alone. Now compile time error again we are going to get finally without a try. So the conclusion here is, so in between try and catch, or in between catch and catch, or catch and finally, independent statements we can't take, because try catch finally, this total is only one statement, order in a single statement, in the middle some independent statements I'm going to use, not at all possible. Clear, right? Okay, well, now the next scenario, sir, observe carefully. Here I'm taking try block, within the try block I'm taking try catch, I'm taking try catch, and then catch block, and then catch block I'm taking, sir. Observe very carefully. Try, within the try I'm taking try catch, within the try I'm taking try catch. Is it valid or not? Yes friends, perfectly valid. Okay, valid sir, no problem at all, because I have, you remember, right, I covered somewhere. Okay, it's a possible, inside try we can take try catch finally, inside catch we can take try catch finally, inside finally also we can take try catch finally. Valid syntax, right? Now next one, sir, observe very carefully. Here a bit dangerous thing is there. Try I'm taking try block, sir, catch x exception I'm taking. Observe, inner catch block is the responsible to handle which exception? X exception, right? Now sir, outer catch block, sir, x exception I'm taking like this. Can you please confirm, is it valid or not? Observe very carefully. Two catch blocks for the same exception you can't take. Have you remembered somewhere we discussed two catch blocks for the same exception we can't take. Exception has already been caught, like some comparative error you are going to get. Have you remembered? Is it valid or not? Respond, is it valid or not? Yes, 100% pakka, this one is valid. Valid. What the reason for that is, sir, this catch block related to this try, this catch block related to this try. Are you getting? For the same try, two catch blocks, same exception not possible, but different try blocks. This catch block related to this try, this catch block related to this try. So no problem at all. Here you can take same exceptions, because these catch blocks are not related to same try, different try blocks. Clear, right? Next, sir, what about this possibility, right? I'm taking try within that another try block. Sir, try within that another try block, and then catch block I'm taking, Please observe, is it valid or not? Try within that another try, this is the common catch block, right? So if I can take like this, compiler will get left and right, because this try block not having any catch block or finally block. Okay, then immediately ask, array, this catch is there, boss, this catch block is related to outer try but not for inner try. Within inner try also catch or finally must be required. Sir, what comparative error we will get? Try without catch or finally, try without catch or finally, this is the error we are going to get. Clear, right? Okay, well, sir, next cinema, I'm taking try block, now catch block. Here observe very carefully, inside catch block I'm taking try catch, I'm taking, sir, try catch, like I'm taking. So is it possible to take try catch inside catch block? Why not, man? 100% pakka, it is a valid. Okay, now I'm taking try under then catch block, try under then catch block, and after that inside finally I'm taking try catch finally. Array, inside finally block I'm taking try catch finally. Is it valid or not? Yes, nesting of try catch finally is always valid syntax, no problem at all. Are you getting, right? So from these 3 or 4 conclusions here Very simple, sir. Inside a try block, you can take try catch. Inside catch block, you can take try catch. Inside finally block also, we can take try catch finally. Acceptable. Okay. Now the next cinema. Take very special care about this one, sir. What the point is? Sir, try. I'm taking, sir. Try. Observe carefully. Try. Now system.out.println. Okay. Try. Like this I'm taking. So try SOP. And then catch block I'm taking. Catch system.out.println. Catch, sir. Catch like this I'm taking. Observe. Try SOP, try catch like this, because if only one statement is there, curly braces are optional. Somewhere at our childhood in the flow control we may discuss it, right? So without curly braces you can take only one statement, like for if statement, while statement, for loop, like we covered, right? Here also try block contain only one statement. That's why I'm not taking curly braces. Same here. Try system.out.println. Try, sir. Okay, try block I'm taking curly braces, but catch block I'm not taking curly braces. Okay, catch block I'm not taking curly braces. System.out.println catch, that's all. Okay, like are you getting? Like next try I'm taking, sir. Try I'm taking. Catch I'm taking, sir. Catch curly brace I'm taking, but finally only one statement is there. That's why without curly braces just I'm taking finally. SOP, yeah, finally. Like now take very special care, sir. If only one statement is there, I didn't use curly braces for try block, for catch block and finally block. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? You have to tell, is it valid or not? Respond. Valid or invalid? Remember that for a try catch finally blocks, curly braces are mandatory. Even one statement is there, compulsory you require to take curly braces. Without curly braces you can't write a try catch finally blocks. Remember, that's why, sir, all these things are invalid, right? Okay, sir, please make sure you people should aware. Clear for all of it, right? Okay, like sir, now almost multiple combinations we covered, sir. Sir, if you want, just let me give numbering, sir, so that how many we discussed, sir. Have you observed? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, almost 24 combinations we discussed, sir. Sir, just if you are going to revise these, most of your doubts by default got clarified. Sir, very very simple. In try catch finally, order is important. You can't change the order. Next, only one try you have to take, but multiple catch blocks, but only one finally. So multiple number you can take only for catch blocks, but not for try block, but not for finally block. Next, sir, whenever we are writing try block, compulsory either catch or finally must be required. Try without catch or finally is invalid. Next, whenever we are writing catch block, compulsory try block should be there. Try catch without a try, invalid. Finally without a try is invalid. Okay, clear. Next, try with the multiple catch blocks possible. Next, for the same exception, 2 catch blocks if you are writing, compile time error we are going to get. That's all. These are various important loopholes what you people should aware, almost around 24 combination, so that you will get much clarity about this cinema. Clear, right?